The largest taxi company in the world doesn't own a single taxi. Uber doesn't own cars. Airbnb doesn't own hotels. DoorDash does not own a single restaurant. What they own is the digital layer sitting on top of the physical world. The interface that connects a person to a place. That layer is worth more than all the cars and buildings put together. Today I want to show you something that most people still think is a game, a scam, or a speculation. It is none of those things. Digital territory is the next version of that same layer, but this time, instead of one company owning it, the ownership is being handed out to whoever shows up first. My name is Frempong. I'm the founder of the new Scramble. I help Diaspora investors understand digital territory infrastructure before institutional capital arrives. In this video, I'm going to open the EarthMeta platform and walk you through exactly what digital territory is, how the money works. I'm going to show you real places, real cities, real coordinates live on the platform. Let's get right into it. This is EarthMeta. What you are looking at on the screen right now is a digital twin of the entire Earth. Every city, every piece of land, the whole planet mapped and anchored to real-world coordinates using the same geodetic system GPS uses. The same system your phone uses when you open Google Maps. The blockchain underneath this map is the administrative registry. It is the record of who owns what. Think of this like a land deed. A piece of paper says you own an address. A county records it. The blockchain is doing that exact same job except for the digital layer on top of the real place. So when I say I own a city on this platform, I don't mean I own a made-up island in a video game. I mean the digital layer of a real place is registered to me permanently on the blockchain. Now I want to show you a real example of why this matters. I'm going to search cantonments in Accra. Watch this. So this is cantonments in Accra. Here's Ewak Stadium, a real place. It hosts football matches, it hosts national events. Thousands of people coming through on events days with their phones in their hand. Now imagine the digital rights to this coordinate are owned by someone, a governor or a landowner inside the governor's city. That person doesn't have to run the stadium. They don't have to own the field. They don't even have to book the acts. They own the digital layer on top of it. During a concert or a match, they can do things like place exclusive digital merch that only unlocks for people physically present at the stadium. They can run a live contest visible only through the app. Drop a limited edition collectible that proves you were there. And also partner with sponsors who want to reach everyone at that event. Let me show you what that looks like on other platforms that are already doing pieces of this. I'm going to take you to Niantic, the maker of Pokemon Go. So here is Niantic, the maker of Pokemon Go. Not a crypto project, a mobile game that has made over $8 billion since 2016. And a big chunk of that money comes from the exact model I just described. Businesses pay Niantic, the company behind Pokemon Go, to turn their real locations into Pokestops and gyms. In case you don't know what a Pokestop is, it's a real-world location where digital in-game items are placed for users to collect, only at that location. Gyms are large territories where users gather to engage in game competitions. McDonald's paid, Starbucks paid, AT&T paid, several other big companies paid. They also had a program for small businesses. They charged around $30 to $60 at the time for businesses to sponsor their location. Those small businesses owners did not own the digital layer on top of their own shops. Niantic did. They paid Niantic rent. Let that sink in. The coffee shop owner paid a game company to advertise to people standing outside the coffee shop. That is not hypothetical. It happened. And it is still happening. The difference with EarthMeta is that the digital layer on top of that coffee shop is not owned by one central company. It is owned by whoever claimed it on the platform, and that could be you. Every city on Earth is being given a digital twin. The digital twin can be owned. The owner can program what happens on the digital layer. That layer is going to generate real cash flow once commerce goes live. This is exactly like the internet in '93. domain names were being registered, websites they barely existed. Almost nobody was making money, and the people who quietly claimed the good names got laughed at. The commerce features are not all live yet. What's live right now is the claim system. The Scramble is already underway. Learn more at thenewscramble.com, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for future videos. I'll see you on the next one.